What? They killed me? What?
What? You good little commander, let me be
Federal
it.
Bussy Investigator. This is gonna be a good game. This is a good game. They hear you, man. They work out where you are, man.
Stop talking.
Stop talking.
Her mom never loved him enough to make a fucking.
What the fuck are they talking about now?
All of this came from me asking them to get on the point.
This game is gay. Did you just
Wow,
call me
okay.
gay? What are you, gay? You got a parasite in your brain or something? My life has like irreparably changed ever since I read that. Like, I'm not even
I didn't
kidding.
read any of that until after I sent it to like 3 people, and then I went back and looked at the profile and started reading about the fucking parasites.
Yeah,
in your
it's like
brain that
the-
makes you gay.
Did you just see
Doing,
me?
bro?
Me and that dude just nod at each other. He's shooting at
Trying
me.
to shoot you. It's keeping you on
Oh
your
shit!
toes.
Sorry, sorry. Ah, fuck. Man, come on. What the fuck? Just he just fucking killed him, dude. Oh, just for spin. There's literally no way they cap it. Yeah.
Bro, go to his profile.
Federal Bussy.
Yeah.
No squirters. Oh no. Oh, what the fuck?
Rosa Parks _ seat. Yeah, that wasn't so hard.
Who are we playing with, bro? Who are these people?
Guys, my Go Pack is about to get a 3-star.
His
What?
gold peck is about to get a 3-star. He's playing Clash of Clans.
Yeah, your voice is not very good. You should change it.
Fingering children age site 70 meters.
What?
What the fuck lobby is this?
Bringing a truck up.
But-
Yeah, they're gonna. Yeah. It's coming down the main. Car. Yeah, car. Carro.
They're bringing the truck up the main road. Car. Yes, car.
That sounds like marksman. That sounds about right.
Forty.
And I have a smart penis. Whoa, that's not him, King Julian.
What is this guy joining in?
Forty. They don't like your impression. Shut the fuck up.
King Julian.
What the fuck am I listening to?
Maurice.
That cola was a schnitzel,
I'm trying not to laugh too much, but fucking hell, man, it's...
40. I swear to God, I will fucking score fuck you like my name is Jamal if you do not get him over here.
Please, I don't want to have Jamal fuck me.
Order from command. Penis and Rogers.
Order from command. Like, what is this talking about? He's on some shit.
He's fucking hilarious, I love him. He's fucking funny.
Come down with that Zaza shit. Unacceptable.
I can't see my screen, I'll be real. I can't see my screen. Who did he tell?
He just told the guy to kill himself.
Who? What, Rosa?
Yeah. He was like, yeah, this is a soundboard. Kill yourself. Like, what? He's a
Fucked
macro.
up psychopath.
Yep.
You can't be near this guy, they know you're coming, dude.
He's on the radio.
I want to go see lemon grab. Oh my God, daddy. There's more. What are you doing? Don't do it. I fuck so. What are you doing? Puppy vagina. Morty. What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't do it. No, teasing me. Vince is gonna be pissed. Gibbs is like the hardest.
It's like one of those tubes you flip upside
Yeah,
down. and it sits
wow,
down.
yeah.
Wow. Postal NPCs would be like, screw you, asshole. Ah!
Screw you, asshole.
Use for smoke, use it. Guy just ran up behind me and lit up my ass.
Yo, Commander.
Only I'm supposed to do that. Arr!
It should have been me, not him.
Shit.
It's not fair. No one's on D, get on it. C. Ah!
Very top, very top.
Oh my god, there was no way.
Alright, let's go.
No way. No.
Whatever they
Oh my god, I can't. Holy shit.
should get kicked.
You can talk.
Alright, you're sprinting. Okay, so I went on to Charlie, no one was there. I'm glad I got that. I watched you. I was watching you. You're just sprinting, okay. And then
my god.
my man tactical
You
slid
recorded that?
into the coffin. Yeah, bro, trust me, it's been clipped. It's been clipped, no worries.
Bro, that was a moment.
That was a moment. That honestly equalized mine, because mine was quite a bad moment as well. So, we're stupid together.
That was embarrassing, bro.
Yeah, fucking hell.
Yeah, I've been smoking all day, man. So next to it, just insane how bad that is. Tweaks again, man.
They're ripping Tweaks to fucking shreds.
He does. He's kind of shit. Been on marksman and not anywhere near the point in both rounds.
I mean, a good tip would be you could play Rifleman and get on the point.
They're coming with a 1911.
Oh, Tweaks. Oh, Tweaks, baby boy. Listen, Tweaks, I'm not gonna be mean, I'll be constructive. If you want to play sniper well, you've got to hold, like, angles that are next to the point, man. Because you are watching an angle no one is coming from. Nice, but we lost the point, you know, like, the point is how you win the game. Killing the guys doesn't matter.
For real though, you need to use the sass. It's better. It's way better.
If I hissed guarantee kill,
This is a one-shot kill too, bro.
this sounds better, though.
Bro's playing Deer Hunter over there with M24.
Oof, even I tried.
Man, Tweaks, maybe you're not so bad after all.
Perhaps I was harsh to you.
Cowabunga!
Holy shit, dude.
Oh, oh.
Just stay there, don't move.
You gotta start.
Fail.
Thank you, Akiba.
This is a mess.
Okay, hold that angle. Never mind. Don't hold that angle.
I got shot back. I got shot by the sniper.
How'd he get out of the passenger seat?
Dude, how did he not see you?
He's playing dead. He's playing dead in the car.
Was that?
So this guy played dead in the car, went behind him and took the point. That's insane.
Hey, he's flanked around.
They're on the fucking point.
See, I told you. This is why you stay on the point.
Don't worry, guys. I got him.